Step 1. Undo the Velcro at the top of the cover and pull it over the top of the seat and over the headrest, like putting on a t-shirt. Step 2. If your seat has an armrest, undo the Velcro at the side of the cover and reattach it under the armrest. Step 3. At the top of the cover, reattach the Velcro around the headrest plastic housing. Step 4. Locate the tuck-in pouch. Step 5. Tuck the tuck-in pouch into the gap between the seat backrest and base. Step 6. Pull the bottom cover over the seat base. Step 7. Pull the cover down and round the plastic at the side of the seat base. Step 8. At the side of the base, find the other Velcro strap. Step 9. Wrap the strap round and towards the back of the seat. Step 10. At the back of the seat, connect the two straps together. Step 11. Slide the armrest cover over the armrest like a sock. Step 12. Attach the headrest cover to the seat's headrest like putting on a hat. Repeat these steps for the single passenger seat.